Everyone, MCS Power, MCS Power. My name is Nyambega Gisesa. I'm an MC in a ward known as Ngoma in Nyamira County. Actually, the county has only received one award tonight. I wish to appreciate the important work that is done by MCS all over the country. And I'm very happy with the organizers. I was happy to have seen the MCA from all corners of this country. I saw an MCA from Liboi, which is the farthest east of this country. I saw MCAs from Western Kenya, from Kakamega. We are doing a very important work. Na niwaambie hivi, ile kazi tunafanya mashinani tusidharau. Tufanye kazi, tuheshimiwe kama viongozi wengine wote. Nikimalizia, for the organizers, thanks for such a good event, and we look forward to working for the betterment of our people, to improve the welfare of our citizens, to improve our welfare, and to improve the welfare of all Kenyans. Asante sana na Mungu awabariki.
Asante. This is my former colleague. He was a journalist before he went into politics. I'm so happy about this.